Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Ads for YouTube Shorts. First, open Google Ads website and click on Campaigns. Select Campaigns from the further options. Click on the plus icon and then New Campaign. Choose your objective and campaign type from the provided options. Click Continue and add the campaign name to YouTube Shorts. Select Location, Language, and Budget and Dates. In additional settings, select the device and other details. Scroll down to the Audience section and click Create an Audience. In a new window, enter the audience name and other required details. Make sure to enter the correct information and then save it. Scroll down and you will see the Create Your Video Ad section. Go to the YouTube application and click on the three dots of the video. Select Share and then copy the share link. Paste the link in Google Ads and enter the display URL here. You can preview the Google Ads on YouTube on the right side. Enter the additional details including headline, description, and more. Then click the Create Campaign button at the end. Click Continue to Overview, and then view all the details here. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.